Let's move to the step number 7, small stories. In this step, you will recite some beautiful stories of your choice. It's just a fun practice. Here are a couple of instructions for you. First of all, read a story 4 to 5 times so that you understand it with absolute clarity. Start speaking the story before a mirror 4 to 5 times. Once you are a little satisfied, you can make a video recording, and after that you will observe and score your performance. Make sure you enjoy reciting the story, and you will speak the story as if you are talking to a child or you are reciting the story before a child. Let's dive into this practice. Here is a sample story for you. As I said, you need to read this story 4 to 5 times. So let's start reading. An old proverb. A man was afraid of a cruel looking dog. The owner of the dog said, "Don't be afraid of him. You know the old proverb or saying that a barking dog never bites." The man said, "You know the proverb. I also know it. Does the dog know the proverb?" Right? We'll read it once again so that we understand it with absolute clarity. A man was afraid of a cruel looking dog. The owner of the dog said, "Do not be afraid of him. You know the old proverb that a barking dog never bites." The man said, "You know the proverb, I also know it. Does the dog know the proverb?" So this is the way you are going to read a story 4 to 5 times or maybe more. The intent is to understand it with absolute clarity. Once you understand it with absolute clarity, you can easily recite it. Now we will start reciting the story. Now we'll recite the story. Make sure you recite it as if you are talking to children. Enjoy yourself completely. So let me show you a sample. A man was afraid of a cruel looking dog. The owner of the dog said, "Do not be afraid of him. You must have heard the old proverb that a barking dog never bites." The man said, "You know the proverb. I also know it. Does the dog know the proverb?" Likewise, you will practice every story 4 to 5 times before a mirror. Once you are satisfied with your performance, you can make a video recording and make sure you observe and score your performance. If you are not satisfied with your performance, do it again. There is no shortcut to it. If you follow my instructions, every script, story, answer, or incident will help you improve your English speaking skills, and you will be able to speak English easily and confidently. Thank you.